The Apple Cider Vinegar Secret. 6 science-backed reasons it may help you lose weight and keep it off. What if one of the simplest tools for managing your weight has been sitting in your kitchen all along? Not a miracle pill, not an expensive supplement, not a trendy diet that promises the impossible, just a humble bottle of apple cider vinegar. For centuries, people have used it as a natural remedy for everything from preserving food to supporting digestion. Today, millions swear by taking a small amount every day, claiming it helped them lose weight, reduce cravings, and finally stop the endless cycle of dieting. But here's the real question. Does apple cider vinegar work, or is it just another health myth? The answer is more interesting than you might think. While apple cider vinegar isn't magic, and it certainly won't melt away pounds overnight, research suggests it may support weight management when combined with healthy eating and regular physical activity. In today's video, we'll explore 6 science-backed reasons why apple cider vinegar may help you lose weight, keep it off, and improve your overall health. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it can do, what it can't do, and how to use it safely. Let's get started. A story that might sound familiar. Meet Jennifer. Like many people, she tried everything. Low-carb diets, meal replacements, counting calories, even expensive supplements that promised rapid weight loss. Every time she'd lose a few pounds. Then the weight would slowly come back. One afternoon, while talking with a friend, she heard something she had dismissed countless times before. "Have you ever tried apple cider vinegar?" Jennifer laughed. "Seriously? Vinegar?" Still, curiosity got the better of her. She began adding a small amount of diluted apple cider vinegar before meals, not expecting miracles, but using it as part of a healthier routine. Weeks passed. She noticed something surprising. She wasn't as hungry. She wasn't constantly reaching for snacks. She felt satisfied sooner during meals. Was apple cider vinegar doing all the work? No, but it helped support habits that made healthy eating easier. And sometimes that's exactly what's needed. What makes apple cider vinegar different? Apple cider vinegar is made by fermenting crushed apples. During fermentation, natural sugars are converted into alcohol and then into acetic acid. Acetic acid is the primary active compound believed to contribute to many of apple cider vinegar's potential health effects. While researchers are still studying exactly how it works, acetic acid appears to influence several processes related to digestion, blood sugar regulation, and appetite. Let's look at the 6 biggest reasons it may help support weight loss. Reason number 1. It may help you feel fuller longer. One of the biggest challenges in losing weight isn't motivation, it's hunger. Apple cider vinegar may help slow the rate at which food leaves your stomach, a process known as gastric emptying. When food stays in the stomach a little longer, some people feel full for a longer period after eating. Feeling satisfied can make it easier to avoid unnecessary snacking or oversized portions. The result? You may naturally consume fewer calories without feeling deprived. This effect isn't dramatic, and it doesn't happen for everyone. But even modest changes in appetite can add up over weeks and months. Reason number 2. It may help reduce blood sugar spikes. Have you ever eaten a meal and felt sleepy an hour later? That sudden crash is often related to rapid changes in blood sugar. Some studies suggest that consuming apple cider vinegar with a meal may help reduce the rise in blood sugar that occurs after eating, particularly after carbohydrate-rich meals. More stable blood sugar levels may help reduce the energy crashes that often trigger cravings for sweets or sugary snacks. Less craving often means better food choices. And better food choices, repeated consistently, support long-term weight management. If you have diabetes or take medications that affect blood sugar, talk to your healthcare provider before using apple cider vinegar regularly, since it may affect blood sugar control. Reason number 3. It may help you eat fewer calories. This reason is closely connected to the first two. When you're less hungry and your energy stays more stable, you're less likely to overeat. Many people don't gain weight because of one large meal. They gain it because of dozens of small extra snacks throughout the day. The handful of chips, the afternoon candy bar, the late-night ice cream. If apple cider vinegar helps reduce even a portion of those extra calories, the effect over time can become meaningful. Small daily improvements often lead to significant long-term results. Reason number 4. It can encourage better habits. This may be the most overlooked benefit of all. Taking apple cider vinegar before meals often becomes part of a mindful routine. Instead of rushing into a meal, people pause. They think. They become more intentional about what they're eating. That simple habit can lead to healthier food choices. When people commit to one healthy behavior, they often begin adding others. They drink more water, walk more, cook at home more often, sleep better. The vinegar itself isn't creating all these changes. It helps reinforce a healthier lifestyle. Reason number 5. It may support metabolic health. Weight isn't the only measure of health. Researchers continue exploring how apple cider vinegar may influence markers related to metabolic health. Some studies have found modest improvements in certain measures, such as blood sugar response and cholesterol levels. Although results have been mixed and more research is needed, healthy metabolism involves much more than burning calories. It includes how efficiently your body uses energy, stores fat, and regulates blood sugar. Apple cider vinegar may offer a small supporting role, but it's only one piece of the puzzle. Reason number 6. It helps you think long-term. Here's something many weight loss programs get wrong. They focus only on losing weight. The real challenge is keeping it off. Crash diets often fail because they're impossible to maintain. Apple cider vinegar isn't a temporary diet. It's simply one habit that some people incorporate into a sustainable lifestyle. The goal isn't perfection, it's consistency, healthy eating, regular movement, adequate sleep, stress management. And if apple cider vinegar helps make those habits easier to maintain, it may contribute to long-term success. What apple cider vinegar cannot do. Let's clear up some common myths. Apple cider vinegar will not melt body fat overnight, replace exercise, cancel out an unhealthy diet, allow unlimited junk food, perform miracles while you sit on the couch. If someone promises those results, they're selling fantasy, not science. Real weight loss still comes from creating a healthy, sustainable calorie balance through nutritious eating and physical activity. Apple cider vinegar may support that journey, but it doesn't replace it. How to use apple cider vinegar safely. If you'd like to try it, safety comes first. Never drink apple cider vinegar straight from the bottle. Its acidity can irritate your throat and damage tooth enamel over time. Instead, dilute 1 to 2 tablespoons in a large glass of water. Many people choose to drink it shortly before meals. Using a straw may help reduce contact with your teeth And rinsing your mouth with plain water afterward can also help protect enamel. People with certain medical conditions, digestive disorders, kidney disease, or those taking medications, especially insulin, diuretics, or other medicines that affect blood sugar or potassium, should speak with a healthcare professional before using apple cider vinegar regularly. The bigger picture. Imagine two people. Both want to lose 30 pounds. The first spends hundreds of dollars chasing miracle products. The second focuses on healthy meals, regular exercise, good sleep, drinking more water, and perhaps adds diluted apple cider vinegar as one small part of that routine. A year later, who do you think is more likely to succeed? Usually it's not the person who searched for shortcuts. It's the one who built lasting habits. Success isn't about finding one magical ingredient. It's about stacking small, positive choices until they become your new normal. Apple cider vinegar may be one of those choices, but only when it supports a healthy lifestyle, not replaces it. Final thoughts. Apple cider vinegar has earned its reputation not because it's magical, but because it may offer modest benefits that support healthy habits. It might help you feel fuller. It may reduce blood sugar spikes after meals. It may help reduce unnecessary snacking. It may encourage more mindful eating. It may support aspects of metabolic health. And perhaps most importantly, it reminds us that lasting weight loss comes from consistency, not quick fixes. No single food or drink will change your life overnight, but the small decisions you make every day absolutely can. Start where you are. Choose progress over perfection. And remember that the healthiest transformation is the one you can maintain for years, not just weeks. With that said, thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please share it with a friend and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss future videos. We'll see you at the next one.